Act 2, Scene 1 of Hamlet by William Shakespeare, begins with a private conversation between Polonius and his servant Rinaldo in the castle. Polonius is preparing to send Rinaldo to France with the mission of spying on his son Laertes, who has gone to study there. Polonius hands Rinaldo money and notes for Laertes, but emphasizes the importance of conducting a covert investigation into Laertes' life and behavior in Paris. He instructs Rinaldo to subtly inquire about Laertes by insinuating himself into Laertes' social circle under the guise of seeking casual acquaintance. Polonius advises Rinaldo to cleverly spread false rumors about Laertes engaging in dishonorable activities such as drinking, gambling, and consorting with women. The aim is for Rinaldo to observe the reactions of Laertes' acquaintances to these rumors to verify if there is any truth to them. Throughout this exchange, Polonius displays a mix of pride in his cunning plan and confusion over the complexity of his own scheme. After Rinaldo departs on his mission to France, the scene shifts when Ophelia enters, visibly shaken and pale. Polonius immediately notices her distress and inquires about the cause. Ophelia recounts a recent unsettling encounter with Hamlet. She tells her father that Hamlet appeared in her room looking disturbed and disheveled, acting in a manner that frightened her. According to Ophelia, Hamlet took hold of her wrist, examined her face intensely, and then left without uttering a word. Ophelia interprets Hamlet's actions as an expression of his deep love for her, which worries her. Polonius responds to Ophelia's account with concern and conjectures that Hamlet's erratic behavior might be due to him being deeply in love with Ophelia. He recalls that he had previously advised Ophelia to reject Hamlet's advances and to return his letters and tokens of affection, effectively distancing herself from him. Reflecting on this advice in light of the current situation, Polonius now believes that Hamlet's seeming madness could be the result of heartbreak caused by Ophelia's rejection. Feeling a sense of urgency, Polonius decides that they must inform King Claudius about Hamlet's troubling behavior towards Ophelia, convinced that this development is significant and requires immediate attention. The scene concludes with Polonius dragging a reluctant Ophelia with him to seek an audience with the king, hoping to shed light on Hamlet's odd behavior and its possible implications for the court. And as always, if you like this Bookly Crash Course video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.